Alright, as you can see, now we're going to attach the jaw set that we just did to the foam head itself. So all we're going to do is use our rougher and rough up the foam a little bit, and we're going to I'm going to use my CA glue it in there, and then we're going to epoxy around it. So that's pretty simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it, and you can watch. As you can see, I've run out of epoxy, but I'm going to make some more epoxy. I'm going to finish up this seam right here around this side, and but that's basically it. And then I'll clean it up, and our head will be complete. As you can see, there are big things going on here at K&C Taxidermy, so make sure you subscribe so you can get notifications on everything that's going on here at K&C Taxidermy. We'll see you then.